Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with Flylady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the Flylady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022, financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, my dear patrons. Today is Wednesday, July 6th. It's planning and desk day. We're in zone 4, the master bedroom. We have had an exciting week. I know yesterday was your free day and Monday was, I almost said Labor Day, 4th of July. So we've had some fun, but we are buckling back down. Today, planning and desk day is a perfect day to get you set up for next week. Hopefully you did your planning and desk day last week to set up this week. If you didn't, let's get that done today for this week and next week. And then next week, you just do the following week. Payroll, you're going to do your planning and desk day on Sunday afternoon. You're going to plan for Monday through Sunday. And at-home homemakers, you're going to plan probably Sunday through Saturday. Or you could do Monday through Sunday. Doesn't matter. Depends on how your calendar is laid out. Okay, so the thing I want you to think about today is the dignity of homemaking. The dignity. Isn't that a nice word? Don't you love to be treated with dignity, with respect? Well, if you want to have dignity, you must give dignity, right? If you want to have love, you must give love. So the dignity of homemaking is that your family has a beautiful place to live. It does not have to be extravagant. It needs to be tidy and clean, organized and peaceful, where meals are served on time, children have a before bed routine, and everyone goes to bed on time. That is, and there's love in the family and time for play. Okay? That is the dignity of the home. So I want you to think about that today. Are you giving yourself and your home the dignity it deserves? Are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of your diet? Are you taking care of your skin, your hair? That is not selfish. It is a form of love. You need to love yourself. God said to love ourselves. But it's not that selfishness. It's a form of dignity, okay? So remember that, and let's get into the day. So what are we going to do today? We're going to do the same thing we do every single Wednesday. We're going to get up. We're going to put our feet on the floor. We're going to do our morning routine. That morning routine is very simple, and it's the same every day, every week, every month, every year until you die. I'll say that over and over again because you need to get it. It's something you must do. You cannot skip it. It happens every day. So morning routine takes you from the bedroom to the bathroom, including swish and swipe and taking care of yourself, getting your clothes on, your bed being made, going into the kitchen, emptying the dishwasher, and starting the coffee pot or the tea pot or getting ice water or whatever it is you do in the morning. Then, if you need to, and you have laundry, start your laundry. Then go through your paper. If you have paper clutter, 1 inch a day. This week, we're only going to get 5 inches done. Yesterday was routine, so it was in routine days, right? It's like a little routine. We didn't do it on Monday because that was, yesterday was, free day, but you still do paper on free day. That's what I meant to say, not routine. But Monday was a holiday, so we didn't do it because it's not a routine. Well, it is a routine, but it's a routine that you can skip. It's a 6-day-a-week routine, so we take it off on Sunday. Anything you take off on Sunday, you take off on holidays or vacation. Just remember that. Okay, So what are we going to do now? We're going to do our morning routine, laundry paper, wake up the children, serve them breakfast, clean up after breakfast. If we have to run somebody somewhere first thing in the morning, now is the time. If you're going to work, before you leave, do a clutter stop. Before you leave to run somebody somewhere, do a clutter stop. At-home homemakers, payroll homemakers. Payroll, enjoy your day at work, and we will see you back at dinner time. At-home homemakers, if you have to run somebody somewhere, don't use that as an excuse to go lollygag and you come right back home. You have the dignity of a home to take care of. You come home and you do your 15-minute zone in your bedroom, okay? And then when that's over and you completed the process by putting the giveaway in the back of the car, because tomorrow is errand day and you're going to take all your giveaway away. So every day you put a little bit more in there every time you declutter. And our garbage goes in the garbage, and we've put away the things that need to be put away. After 15 minutes, we're going to complete the process. And then today is planning and desk day. Now that is a call for quiet time. So if you have littles, I would wait until they're down for a nap or rest before I did that. And you might, it depends. My kids didn't sleep, well, one slept great, one didn't sleep well at all. An hour was all I could get of rest time for her. So it's going to take 2 hours. So you might have to do what I would have had to done if I had done it then. Unfortunately, I did not. And that would be to take care of that while she's sleeping and then go and do the rest when you put her to bed at night. You're going to have some time. Or if she's got some quiet playtime, you can, or he, then you can do it then, okay? You may have several, and so it might be a little more challenging. But this is the day. So we're going to do food, finance, inbox, and planner. Food, remember, you're going into your refrigerator, you're straightening it up a little bit, you're throwing away the things that have gone bad, you are making a note of what you need, you're checking your freezer, you're checking your pantry, and you're looking to see what you can make out of what you already have. Make your grocery list based on your menu and what you're missing to complete that menu. Because when I'm saying make meals from this, that's a menu. So you think of the meals you can make and write them down, that's a menu. It doesn't have to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It could just be 5 meals. 5 meals, you're going to have leftovers from one and you're going to go grab something at another time. Maybe that's what you want to do. Maybe you plan all 7. It doesn't matter. You write them down and they can be interchanged, or you can say, oh no, I'm not that person. I want Monday to be this and Tuesday. That's fine too. It has to fit your personality and your family, but make a meal plan. And then you're going to make your grocery list, as I said, for the things that are missing. You need butter, you need sour cream, you need noodles, whatever. Write that down. Maybe you need some ground beef. That's your grocery list. Next, you're going to go to finances. So you're going to estimate how much that's going to cost based on the history of your grocery shopping. And you've been doing that for a while, so you can pretty much tell how much you're going to spend. If you can't, I would suggest you use something like Walmart and put your groceries in there and see how much that's going to be at Walmart. And know that Walmart's probably less expensive than most places. But you're going to know pretty much how much you're going to be spending. It's time consuming to do that. So if you don't have the time to do that, then make your best guess. And if you're not going to if you're not going to order your groceries from Walmart, for example, then you're going to go to your finances and you're going to say, what is my grocery budget? Well, you probably already know it. So whatever 100 it is, then you're like, if it's 300 for the week and you've gone to 400, you know you've made a mistake. You've got to go back and edit your grocery list and use some of that stuff you have in your freezer, okay? All right, then you've got, for finances, what bills do you have to pay? Does your checking account look like it's in good shape? Have you balanced it recently? Do you know what your budget is for everything throughout the week? What did you spend last week out of discretionary spending? Did you spend too much? That's your finances. And then when you're done with that, and I'm saying about a half hour on each of these areas, then we've got a half hour of inbox. Inbox is taking the stuff out of the inbox that you put in there when you go through your paper clutter and your mail and your children's productions. They go in there. Anything that requires action, it needs to be filed. For kids' things, you need to take a picture of it even. Or it needs to go in their little folder that you're saving, and you can't save everything because when they graduate, they don't want everything. They just want the highlights. And then, what's this? Planning. Putting in your planner things that need to go in there. So maybe you say, oh, I forgot that thing. Something sparks your memory, and you say, oh, I need to put that in my planner. I need to call the doctor on Tuesday. I need to do whatever. Put that in your planner. And then the last thing is your planner itself. You're going to plan out your week. So that's planning and desk day. All right. And that happens today. Then we have a hard stop for lunch. Whenever you do your planning and desk day is when it happens. We're going to do a hard stop for lunch. We're going to clean up after lunch, and then we're going to do a hard stop for dinner. Oh, and at lunch, you're going to do a clutter stop. Now we're calling in payroll. We're having a hard stop, and we're doing dinner. We're doing a clutter stop payroll, your second of the day. We're going to do dinner, eat dinner, clean up after dinner, and then do your before bed routine part A, which does not include your teeth. It does not include running the dishwasher. It's everything else. And then take care of your children's before bed routine, get your littles settled, and then enjoy your evening about 9:30 or so. Go into your kitchen, make sure there's soap in the dishwasher, it's running. You've done your last little things in the kitchen, go brush and floss, and go to bed on time. Before you go to bed or your children go to bed, we need one more clutter stop. So that's 3 every day. Every day. That's going to keep your clutter from building back up. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I hope that you always remember that prayer changes things and that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.